Let's move on to some other stories this morning. There's massive uproar over Mehbooba Mufti's tricolour remark which she made a few days ago, and the BJP workers also took out a Tiranga rally in Srinagar. BJP workers also hoisted the tricolour at the PDP office in Jammu. Now, this Tiranga Yatra coincided with the 73rd year of accession of Jammu and Kashmir with the Union of India.
From Jammu to Srinagar, BJP workers took out a Tiranga rally to celebrate Accession Day on Monday. While it commemorated the 1947 Jammu and Kashmir merger, the rally was more aimed at Mehbooba Mufti.
हमने तिरंगा रैली निकाली है और गुपकार से हम निकल रहे हैं गुपकार के लोगों को संदेश देने के लिए 70 साल कश्मीर को आपने लूटा है, सूटा है, 70 साल यहाँ पर खून बहाया है। आज कश्मीर खुल के बाहर आ चुका है आपके खिलाफ। कश्मीर ने तिरंगा उठा लिया है।
ये हमारे लिए खुशनसीबी है कि हम तिरंगे के साथ चल रहे हैं और देश के जो हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता हैं जिन्होंने ये सोचा है अब देश के साथ साथ हमारे यूटी की भी उन्नति हो जाएगी, हमारी डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगी।
Never this day was being celebrated in this way as it has been celebrated by the BJP here in the Kashmir Valley. We are seeing that this Tiranga Yatra, where hundreds of workers from different nooks and corners of the Kashmir Valley had gathered here in Srinagar and are now taking out this Tiranga Yatra.
4 BJP workers were detained after the police prevented them from hoisting the tricolour at the historic Lal Chowk in Srinagar. The yatra also comes in the backdrop of PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti's comment that she would only hold the national tricolour when the flag of the erstwhile state is restored.
जिस वक्त हमारा ये झंडा वापस आएगा हम उस झंडे को भी उठा लेंगे, मगर जब तक हमारा अपना झंडा डाकुओं ने डाके में ले लिया है तब तक हम किसी और झंडे को हाथ में नहीं उठाएंगे।
Protesting against Mehbooba's statement, BJP workers hoisted the tricolour at the PDP office in Jammu.
It's a day of joy. It's a grand day. Doesn't matter Mehbooba Mufti holds national flag or not, but crores and crores and crores of common men in Jammu and Kashmir today have shown that they love tricolour Tiranga, they love India.
Now we are standing outside the office of People's Democratic Party here in Jammu city, and look at the office. This entire area is dotted with tricolours. Number of organizations have been protesting for last 2 days here outside the office of People's Democratic Party, and you can see that the tricolour has been hoisted by the people here. There is massive outrage here in Jammu region over Mehbooba Mufti's controversial remarks on the national flag.
Politics has heated up in Jammu and Kashmir after the formation of the Gupkar alliance by the opposition. But Mufti's tricolour comment has triggered an unease within her own party and the National Conference, which is an ally in the alliance for the restoration of Article 370. With Ashraf Wani in Srinagar and Sunil G. Bhatt in Jammu, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.